Okay, so Carlos O'Neill has put a request into me for a tip on Power BI. He asked if it was possible to extract numbers from a column of text, such as this demonstration data that I've just added. So basically the intent is to try and pull out the number 207, number 219, and 189 from this column in the easiest possible way. I did manage to find an answer and a formula for this, so I'm just going to go ahead and show everyone how you do that. So first of all, you have to go to Edit Queries, choose Edit Queries in Power BI. When it comes up like this, what we're looking for is a custom column. So Add Column across the top and Custom Column. Okay, and this is where we can put our formula in. So in the column name, I'm just going to put number extract. And then this is where we paste the formula, which I will enter into the comments. Okay, I've called my column 1. So the whatever column you're trying to extract the numbers from needs to go into this part in the middle here. But once you've done all of that, you just simply need to press OK. And we've now got a new column with just the number from the text in the following column. Once that's all done, you can see it adds an applied step to create the custom column. If we ever need to manipulate that formula, we hit the cog there and we can edit the formula there. But that's it, simple as that. So I'm just going to close and apply this now, and you can see we've now got a column for number extract, which can then be used within the data in Power BI. Hopefully that's useful to other people. Thanks a lot. If you need any more guidance on Power BI or hints and tips, then feel free to make me aware, and I'll hopefully give you an answer. Thank you.